Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error 0x80070194 associated with Xbox, then let's look at the following steps. So for this, the basic solution is to reset the OneDrive on the system. So how we do that is by pressing the Windows button along with R. This will open the command panel, and we have to type this code reset of the Microsoft OneDrive, that is percentage localappdata percentage /Microsoft /OneDrive /OneDrive with a small o .exe space /reset. Okay, copy it and we'll paste it in this window and press enter. Now this will make sure that the OneDrive is reset. Now once the OneDrive is reset, you cannot access the folders on OneDrive immediately. You have to restart OneDrive once again. So how do you do that? You copy this command. This is the same except the space /reset should not be entered. So we press Windows button and R once again, and we enter this command without the reset and press enter. This should start the OneDrive services again, and initially none of the files should be synced, but over a period of time, not very lengthy, the OneDrive will sync all your files and folders. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.